So what, usually what I'll do in this case, just at the beginning, I will explain the main pillars of Islam and Iman and just briefing about Islam, so you have a good idea about what you are doing. I don't know if you've done some studies and all of these things. You done some, you read your Quran.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll talk about this in the conversation. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. Welcome sister Priya, and I think the decision you took to declare the Shahadah is an important step in your life. And one thing I'd like to say before I talk about the details of our faith, that you are blessed. Why I'm saying this? Because there are many people in this country and other countries, and they know about Islam, but they didn't take the right decision to convert to Islam. Now, mashallah, I know you've been through a lot of research and talking about Islam, and then you took the decision, inshallah ta'ala, to take this great decision. So that great this from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So what I'll do, I'd like just to give you an idea about the main pillars of Islam, pillars of Islam. As Muslims, I have to believe in 6 things, which is, I believe in Allah, His angels, His books, His messengers, His judgment, and predestination. So, when we say I believe in Allah, I believe that Allah is the creator, Allah is our God, He's the provider, the sustainer, He's the most gracious, most merciful. He created everything in this life. He has the full power of everything in this life. And He loves us as a human being. And sign of the love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to us, that He, during the history, He sent messengers to human beings to guide them, to show them the straight path. And alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, you find all the time there are people finding this path. The other thing about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that we cannot see Him, but He can see us. We can hear His messages through the prophets, and also, as I said earlier, He has the full power of everything, so He can watch all human beings at the same time. He can hear all the human beings at the same time, because His powers are ultimate subhanahu wa ta'ala. So also we believe in angels. Angels are certain creation that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created them to carry out jobs that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala assigned to them. Again, we cannot see them in their original form, but sometimes they come as in the shape of human beings. They came to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. They came to Maryam. They came to Ibrahim alayhi salam, to Musa, to many other prophets. They came, and they play an important part in our life. They make dua for us, and also there is 2 of them. They are recording everything we do, everything we say. One of them also, he is the one in charge of taking our souls when it is the time. And also there are angels, they are protecting us day and night. So it is very important to believe in them, so we know that we are protected, we are covered, and also everything we do is recorded. This is important thing. Also we believe in all the previous books. So we believe in the Torah, which revealed to Musa alayhi salam, we believe in Zabur, the Psalms revealed to Dawood alayhi salam, in Injil, the Gospels, to Isa alayhi salam, Jesus, and the final book is the Holy Quran. Now, the difference between the Holy Quran and the other books is that it is as what we see now, the Holy Quran that we see now is the same book that revealed to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It's in the same language, the same words, and also in the same order. It revealed to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam through 23 years, and every word of it is a miracle in itself. It is guidance. It tells us about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It tells about the Day of Judgment, stories of the prophets. It tells us about how to organize our daily life, and also about different manners and legislations in our life. We believe also in all the previous prophets, and this is part of our deen from Adam alayhi salam until Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So Noah, Abraham, Ibrahim, John, Zechariah, Jesus, Moses, all these prophets, we believe in them as we believe in Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, because we believe all of them came with the same message and the same God who sent all these prophets. We believe in the Day of Judgment, that one day this life will finish, and then after that there will be resurrection and everyone will be held to account. So this is essential to apply justice, because in this life maybe we cannot read justice, but on that day, the Day of Judgment, when all the human beings come together, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will apply justice between them, and the righteous people, the good people, they will go to heaven, and the bad and the unbelievers will go to the hellfire. The last pillar of the Iman faith is predestination, that everything in our life, everything in the whole world is already ordained by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We cannot change it. Obviously we don't know about it until we see it happening, but everything in the knowledge of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Now, to put all these beliefs in action, we do the 5 pillars of Islam, which is Shahadah, the declaration, Salah, the prayers, Zakah, the charity, and the Sawm, fasting, and Hajj, which is pilgrimage. Now, Shahadah, which we will say inshallah in a minute, that you declare that there is no God worthy of worship but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam is his servant and messenger. And by declaring that, you are saying, from now on I take all my instructions from Allah and Rasulullah Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. And then I have to pray 5 times a day, in the early morning, in the midday, in the afternoon, after sunset, and in the evening. So I have to pray these 5 times a day, and it is a connection between you and your Lord. So we need this connection that you are establishing today to continue. So you keep continuing this through the salahs, through the prayers. You need to prepare yourself by making the wudu. You wash your hands, mouth, nose, face, arms, hair, ears, and feet in a certain order that you learn, inshallah, if you didn't learn it yet. Also, you need to remember that for a woman there are certain times you cannot to pray when the woman has her period. She cannot pray because one of the conditions of the salah that you have to be pure. The third pillar is the zakah. When you have money savings after 1 year, you pay 2.5% of this money to give to the poor people, and this is to show that as ummah, as one nation, we are helping each other. So the rich people will help the poor people through this system, which is the system of the zakah. Then fasting, which is in the holy month of Ramadan, we have to fast from the early morning until the evening. During this time, you don't eat, drink, or have any sexual relation. Ramadan is very important because it purifies your soul. It makes you feel that you are in self-control. You can change your habits. You can change the way that you live. And this shows you that, yes, I'm in charge of my life, not I'm following all the time I desire. Then the last pillar is al-Hajj, which is when you can afford it once in your lifetime, You go to Mecca, do certain actions there, and it is a way that you are going to the first house built to worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So these are the 5 pillars of Islam and 6 pillars of Iman. Any question about these? Okay. Now, finally, when it comes to food, you can eat anything except dead animals, pork, anything contains pork or blood, or alcohol. You can drink anything except anything that contains alcohol or anything to do with pork or with animals. In the social life, the only relation allowed between man and woman is through marriage. So in Islam there is no boyfriend and girlfriend, and you have to keep your honor all the time to be sure that you don't have any wrong relation with men. With the clothes, the woman as type of respect to respect herself, to show her that she's respected from the society also. She's supposed to cover from head to toe, and any clothes which will comply with this, that you cover yourself, is called hijab, jilbab, is accepted inshallah ta'ala. Now when we talk about your daily life, anything you think or you believe that it is right, and the people you find Islam saying do it. So Islam saying be righteous, be good, be kind, be truthful, be honest, help others, respect your parents, respect the elderly people. So all these things you find Islam saying do it. And all the bad things you find Islam saying no, don't do it. So Islam doesn't accept any type of killing, cheating, bullying, disrespect, or even affecting the environment in a wrong way. So this is general idea about Islam. And if you have any question, you are happy?
Yeah.
Okay. So the Shahadah is, yeah, I'll say it in English first, the meaning, then we'll say it in Arabic. You supposed to say these words, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu Muhammad Rasulullah in Arabic, but it means I bear witness there is no God worthy of worship but Allah, and Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, peace be upon him, is the messenger of Allah. Okay. Ready? Okay, after me please. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah wa ashhadu anna Isa Rasulullah. Congratulations.
MashaAllah. Congratulations.
MashaAllah. You're a Muslim now. Excellent. Barakallahu fiki, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you and make you steadfast in the deen of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And I'm sure Sister Safiya will help you in your journey, inshallah ta'ala. Congratulations, sister.
Congratulations.
So happy for you.
MashaAllah.
Okay.